Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Princess Peach. Start by making a circle. Make one vertical line and two horizontal lines to place the eyes. Then start making the body. After you have made the body, make the details on the cloth. Then make the facial features. For the center of the hair, make a V shape and then to both sides make a curved line. After that, make some spikes, the crown and the rest of the hair. That's it, just color it and have fun. Guys, I'm going to talk because this video feels so quiet and like I want to talk. So I have a disclaimer. The color I'm putting right now is not as vibrant as it is in real life. In real life, it is less vibrant. Here it looks like fluorescent. I don't know. It looks weird. And how do you like my videos? More like tutorials or more tutorial and part of coloring talking? Because I don't know which one do you prefer. So yeah, let me comment down below what you want. Which one do you prefer? Oh, and this part, the face part, I know it looks very strange with pink hair and face, but that's because Peach has like a peachy undertone to her face. So yeah, but when it dries the marker, it looks way better. Like it doesn't look as pink as it does before it gets dries. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So yeah, enjoy the music and the relaxing video. Bye. Oh, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. Bye.